A 6-hour layover at Istanbul Airport before a flight to Kilimanjaro, and instead of just waiting, we decided to explore. From airport Wi-Fi and trolley tips to pet-friendly facilities and the Old Bazaar, let me show you how we spent our time here. Hello everyone, welcome to Cat Couple Chronicles. We are at the Belgrade airport waiting to catch a morning flight to Istanbul. There we have a 6-hour layover before continuing to Kilimanjaro for a much-awaited 9-day trip to Tanzania. While we are in Istanbul, I'll show you how we spent our layover and also share a couple of helpful tips along the way. But more on that once we get there. An hour and a half flight, most of which I spent sleeping, brought us here to Istanbul. Before we start exploring the airport, we want to get a trolley first, so we don't have to carry our heavy camera bags and strain our backs. Luggage trolleys are available at many locations inside the airport, which is such a blessing, especially when you're carrying heavy bags. Let me show you how it works. You need to pay a deposit of 2.4 euros or 120 Turkish lira, which you get back when you return the trolley. We are paying by card, and once the payment is done, we receive a slip. This slip needs to be inserted when returning the trolley. After the payment is accepted, the light turns green and the trolley is ready to use. And here is the receipt. Now our next step is to get a Wi-Fi connection, and this too is a little different from many other airports. To connect, we first need to use one of these machines and scan our passport. In return, the machine gives us a printout with a code. Then on the phone, we connect to IGA Wi-Fi, which asks for that code. Once we enter the number, we get connected to the airport Wi-Fi.
Login with kiosk access code.
We decided to have a light lunch and some tea before starting our airport exploration. Istanbul Airport is also known for being quite pet-friendly. And if you are a pet parent traveling through Istanbul, this is something really important to know. Pet toilets are available inside the airport, and we are now heading towards one of them to show you what it is like. When we brought our cat Monchu to Serbia from India, we flew with Turkish Airlines. Our main goal was to carry him with us in the cabin because he has anxiety issues, and we really did not want him to travel in the cargo. During our layover in Istanbul, we had taken him to this pet toilet, and to our greatest relief, he actually used it. On the way, you can see the sculptures which are part of the Istanbul Airport Museum and showcase Anatolian history. This time I could not record inside because there were a few pets there and I did not want to disturb them. But here is a photo from a 2022 trip. We are now heading towards Gate D to show you another pet toilet. Actually, even I have not seen this one before. This one is much smaller than the other one, but it has the same basic facilities. Let us now browse through the Old Bazaar. The Old Bazaar at Istanbul Airport is a lovely place to browse if you want a quick taste of Turkish culture without leaving the airport. It is a duty-free shop that focuses on local products, from beautifully packaged Turkish delights and sweets to spices, tea, coffee, ceramics, lamps, and traditional souvenirs. Even if you're not planning to shop, it is nice to walk around and see the colors, designs, and little details that reflect Turkey's rich craft and food culture. We are now slowly making our way towards our gate to catch the flight to Kilimanjaro. It is going to be a 7-hour long flight and we should reach Kilimanjaro at around 2 a.m. We have decided not to return the trolley at the stand as we really do not want to carry our heavy camera bags around the airport. And with that, our 6-hour long layover at Istanbul Airport comes to an end. From getting the trolley and airport Wi-Fi to exploring a little, having a light meal and checking out the pet-friendly facilities, we hope this video gives you a helpful idea of what you can do during a layover here. Now it is time for us to catch our overnight flight to Kilimanjaro. Our much-awaited Tanzania trip is finally about to begin and we cannot wait to take you along with us. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care and we will see you in Tanzania next week. Bye-bye.